This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Great crafting tonight, Sue. Good night.
Nighty-night.
What? Shiver me, Cheddars. What are you doing here?
This bed is so cozy.
And I love your armchair, Sammy. You don't mind, do you?
Guys, look. He's got music, too. And I was just about to have a rest. Oh, poor me.
Sammy, where are you going?
To draw a layout for your own dwelling. I can't take this anymore. There. I finally finished it, Sue. All we need to do now is to build it.
Whoa! Awesome, Sammy! Did you master a new magic trick?
Not exactly. See? There are clearly a few parts missing.
Right, but where could they be? Ah, thank you!
You're welcome.
It's nice to have more helpers. Now where's the rest?
Alrighty. If I were a missing piece of a house, where would I be? Aha! That's a clue. I hope it's not a secret government of lizard slimes trying to steal our craft or something. Huh? Holy cannoli, do you see that too, guys? They're dancing. It's so sad, but so beautiful.
Your dance was amazing, guys, but we need this part for the house. There we go! And we're done with the base!
These are for you.
Make way! Make way for the biggest fan! Please teach me how to dance like that. Pretty please. Okay. Do you know a pirouette? A pirouette? So how am I doing? I'm trying to move smoothly like you told me. Very well. Now repeat after me. Yay! Uh-huh. I see. Let me just do this. That's harder than I thought.
Wow! Sammy, this looks like just what we need.
I guess if you want to become a pro, you have to be prepared to take a few bumps.
Just don't overdo it. So, what do we have here? Oh, wow. Hello there.
What? There were 2 of them this whole time?
Yeah, looks like you have 2 dance teachers now. There's something else too. What a cozy little bed.
And this is for you! For teaching me how to dance so well. Oh no, don't cry. Code red. Sue, I repeat, code red.
Hang in there. You're in good hands. I promise.
Life doesn't teach her anything. Huh?
Sammy, if you keep eating sweets, the pimples will just keep coming.
Nonsense. I'm slime. I'm like 99% sweets. Where's my cocoa?
Your cocoa goes great with our craft. Look at that! And now we'll add a handle to the mug.
Sue, look! I can see everything. Not anymore.
Oh, Sammy.
Move over. Barista Sam is here to make the coolest latte art in the world. Ta-da! Wow, you did great. But I want to help too.
Thank you so much. Here we go. And a little soft rug.
Ah, perfect bedroom for a perfect beauty sleep. Huh? What's that sound? Gotta check what it is. Hey, what are you doing here, buddy? Building your own little house? It looks nice. Oops, I'm so sorry.
Oh, no.
Hey, come back! We're already building you a room, too! Let's see what we've got here to do that. A yellow bed? Not bad!
Oh, and who's the guy?
He is so cute! He looks just like you!
Tung Tung.
What's going on here? I don't get it.
Ha! I figured it out, Sue. They're going to compete for the
guys, you are all such good actors.
Thanks, Sue. Oh, hey, wait up. I've been meaning to tell you, tongue, tongue, tongue.
These are the most wonderful words that anyone has ever said to me. Oh, what a beautiful couple. I have something for you guys. This is something to remember these good times.
Sammy, this is so sweet of you. Great, the second floor is ready. Which room should we do next? Sammy?
I'm thinking, this is so hard. Oh, what are we gonna... Hey, Sue, I think I found something.
Interesting. Let's have a look, shall we?
Oh, come on, come on! I'm dying to see what's inside. Go, Susie!
Wowza! That has to be something cool. Well, of course, it's a bathtub.
So it means that we are going to deal with the bathroom next? Sounds like a plan.
Ooh, I could use a bath right now, but something is missing.
I think I know what you're talking about.
And I managed to do this.
Wow, Sammy, did I inspire you? I like the way you're thinking, pal.
This really is a nice touch, Sammy. Let's see how it all will look here.
Looks perfectly good to me.
Woohoo! It's even better. It's the best bathroom ever.
I'm glad you liked it. Ooh, I'm starving. Gonna go grab something. Hello? It's lunchtime. Can anybody hear me? The slime is hungry.
Sorry, Sammy, but you'll have to wait. The kitchen's not ready yet.
How much longer do I have to wait? I'm starving, really? Huh? It's your cue, Sue.
Oh, great! Let's get to work. We'll be setting up the kitchen. Oh!
Hello? Are you here to help us with the house? Huh? What is this? A puzzle? This thing looks quite strange to me. Good luck fixing it, Sue.
Oh, come on! I can do it in no time.
Wait, he still needs a stylish hairdo?
Like this one?
You're reading my mind!
And we shouldn't forget about his eyebrows and eyelashes, too. That's much better.
I'm so hungry. Is there anything else inside? Argh! There's gotta be at least something. A candy or a box? Oh, my feta, why would I need a box?
It's not a box. It's a fridge, Sammy. But how are we supposed to open it if it doesn't have a handle?
Here's its handle, Susie.
Oh, thanks.
And I really like that the fridge looks like me.
Oh, it turned out so cute. Okay, now the fridge is ready to use. And here's some more kitchen furniture. All right, it already looks great, but it's still missing a few things.
Come on, there has to be some food here. I guess I'm gonna have to stay hungry forever.
Be patient. In order to be able to eat, we also need a table and a few chairs.
Shiver me, Chatters, I can't hold it any longer.
Whoa, what is happening?
Hold on tight, everybody. Phew. Finally, it's all over.
Sue, look. This thing fell down from all that rumbling.
Well, this is just what we need.
That cake looks yummy.
No, my cake! Come to me, my precious. That was the best cake I've ever had in my entire life. I wish I could watch a movie now. Ouch! What on earth was that? Hey, what's happening?
A little good old banana peel prank.
Hey, stop throwing things around. Hey! Oh, so you just wanted to help us with the crafting? Let's see what we have here. What is this? Looks kind of strange, right?
A puzzle, huh? Maybe it's a picture? Or a toy?
What? No way! Think harder.
Okay, I give up.
It's an armchair.
What? Are you serious? Let me see.
Beware and behold.
Wow! I really like how this armchair looks.
Just promise, No more banana peels in the house.
Huh? Okay.
And last but not least, the TV goes right here.
Wow, you guys, this house is so cute.
Oh yeah, me like it.
I like our new little house too. Let's take a closer look at it together.
Walnut Gathering Night. Now, as you know, the safest way to gather walnuts is under cover of darkness, so we won't be seen. We'll set up camp here, a short distance from the old walnut tree here, where we'll set up a wagon to catch the walnuts here. Any questions?
Isn't that an awful lot of work just for a nut?
There is never too much work for a walnut.
Moss, you're going to love Walnut Gathering Night. We have a yummy dinner around a campfire and stay overnight in these sleeping pods.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Although they could be a more fabulous color.
I'll choose them.
Moss, time to gather firewood.
Fireflies make the campfire, but Thorn likes to have a backup plan just in case. You're going to love Walnut Gathering Night.
That's what I keep hearing.
Slowly, Bucky, slowly. Bring the wagon a little bit toward me. A little more. Stop! Lilac, Cap, a test walnut, please.
Watch this, Moss. You're going to love Walnut Gathering Night.
One hit, one miss. Moss, roll that walnut over here, please.
Walnuts are heavy. This night isn't turning out to be fun at all.
This night isn't a bit of fun. Cousin Ellery, when you said meet you here, I thought we were going to do something exciting, like a secret raid on the Buttercup, not look at a dusty old map of chipmunk tunnels.
What are you blathering on about? You're not here to look at the map, you're here to dig the tunnels.
What? I'm to do work? You tricked me. I should have known better than to listen to you.
Calm down, dear cousin. I don't expect you to do all the digging, just most of it. Wait, could it be that you don't know about... Oh, you don't know?
Don't know what?
Just that it's every chipmunk's right and privilege to dig tunnels for winter food storage. I remember digging my first tunnels. Grandpappy Chipmunk taught me everything I know. How to add a secret burrow here and there, a little chamber for bathing, another for fine dining, maybe a chute to connect them.
Ready, team? On 3, push. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! Isn't this great, Moss?
Oh, if you like trees, I'd much rather be on the ground, near dirt.
You could be the lookout on the ground if you like. I'm sure Lilac wouldn't mind coming up. Here I am.
Use your poppy chute to get down.
Okay, see ya!
Oh, can you believe it? My own cousin wanting me to work.
Ellington, are you okay?
Just fine, thank you. I didn't know that ladybugs could fly.
Oh, we don't. These are our poppy shoots. We wear them when we work up in the trees gathering walnuts. Then we camp out in our sleeping pods.
You ladybugs get to gather nuts at night, fly around with these brilliant poppy shoots, then sleep in some sort of pod?
Yeah, and eat dinner by a campfire.
It gets better and better.
You could come help if you want, but it's not that fun.
It's a chipmunk's dream come true. Lead the way, my friend.
Wait, this isn't a trick, is it? So you and Ellery can steal all our walnuts.
That bossy cousin of mine is off digging tunnels. He actually expected me to help.
Tunnels? I love to dig! Lucky you!
Moss, here's a thought. You want to dig, and I want to fly from the trees. What if we switch places? I go with the lilybuds, and you help Cousin Ellery.
That's a great idea. I'll go ask Thorn.
You can't ask Thorn, because then I'd have to ask Cousin Ellery. Best we not tell them, that's what I say. What do you say?
But isn't Ellery gonna notice it's me and not you?
No, because we'll wear disguises, and no one will ever know. Come on, mate, let's go make our disguises. How do you do a moss suit?
And finally, an underground fountain right here. Oh, cousin, I envy you, getting to dig all these tunnels. With my help, of course. Let's get started. Ellington? Thorn! This map behind my back is of chipmunk tunnels and has nothing to do with the buttercup.
I know, Ellery.
It's my right to dig tunnels.
Ellery, your cousin Ellington is on his way to sneak into the Lilybud's campsite right now.
What? Ellington is planning to steal food without me. I taught that chipmunk everything he knows.
Not steal, fly. Let me explain.
There's the wagon. Are you sure no one's going to notice?
In these disguises? No way. We'll switch back in the morning.
Yeah!
Ellington would rather work for you than dig tunnels with me.
How do you think I feel? Moss would rather dig tunnels for you than join my fun walnut gathering night.
Thorn, you have the strangest idea of fun. I'll go and collect my cousin.
Wait a second. What if we don't stop Moss and Ellington?
I'm listening.
Maybe we play along with their little switch. Teach those two that they should have been honest and asked us first.
So you're saying that you and I work on the same side?
I see your point. Never mind.
Thorn, I'm in.
Here you go. Chef Thorne's special walnut gathering night stew. Hey, where's Moss?
I haven't seen him since he jumped out of the tree. He wasn't by the wagon.
I hope he's all right.
Here I am. I'll take some stew.
Chef Thorne, that's not Moss. I'm pretty sure it's Ellington pretending to be Moss.
It's okay, Bucky. Just go along with it. And don't let him know that you know. You know?
Done. Let's get back to work. We have trees to climb and flying to do.
Moss is right. What are we sitting around here for? Let's go.
So, dear cousin, here's the entrance to the first tunnel. I suspect we'll be digging all night.
Woohoo! I mean, hooray, tall. Brilliant.
You should have seen the look on Ellington's face when I told him he had to get more walnuts.
Oh, Moss was shocked when I told him he had to put all the dirt back in the tunnel.
Chef Thorne, you're laughing with Ellery? Is everything all right?
Fine, my furry friend. For once, Thorn and I are in complete agreement. We should celebrate.
Great idea. Oh, what's happening?
It's Moss. He must be digging underneath us.
No, surely we have enough walnuts to feed 1 million Lilybuds.
Moss, you sound different.
Because I'm not Moss, I'm Ellington. I can't take this walnut gathering night another second.
Use your poppy shoot!
Thank you. Moss, I apologise. I never knew how hard it was to be a Lilybud.
And I never knew how hard it was to dig tunnels. You think we could switch back now?
Yes, here, Moss. I thought you liked walnut gathering night as much as I do. You didn't have to secretly switch with Ellington to get out of it. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Thorn. I should have told you.
Ellington, I shouldn't have expected you to like digging tunnels. The truth is, no chipmunk ever has.
Not even Grandpappy Chipmunk? No matter. It can't be worse than gathering walnuts. Come on, cousin, let's dig.
We speak of our brief truce to no one.
Agree. And we go back to being on opposite sides of the Buttercup's door. No, that...
No time to explain, Thorn. We have walnuts together.